Good day everyone. In this video today, I will show you how to make a story on TikTok. So to do this, what you have to do is just to firstly open your TikTok, then click on the plus icon, which is the one at the bottom of the screen right here. So when done, you can then either record yourself and create a story, or you look for a pre-recorded video from your phone. Just click right and select a pre-recorded video if you want. So when done with that, so let me just do some short recording. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do is just to click on your story to continue. Then the video will be posted to your story. So let me just go to my story so you can see it. As you can see, here it is right there, which has been posted. As you can see. So that's how to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.